crazy bunch. I got a whisper. Welcome to the next location. Again, it's another time capsule.
That's
so
why it's to get to the front door. So it's open.
right, okay.
Go for
You can lead the way because I'm stuck to pieces. My GoPro just fell off my bloody camera stick and it rolled down the banking. We've got to be quiet because there's a house next door, so bear with me.
Someone's been here recently. They're trying to block it.
Yeah. And as you can see, I'm very clever. I wear shorts and I'm stung to pieces. So I've just let Connor go first now. Oh. Oh. There we are. Put my door. Oh, wow. Second time capsule of the day. This is fantastic. Oh, God.
Cool little place, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, time capsules are my favourite, definitely. Microwave, not that old, the microwave. Are these stairs okay to go up? Yeah. I love things like this. Let's have a look. Ooh, cobweb. Oh God. I think that's rat droppings, I think. This looks like an extension on the actual house. It's an old typewriter. Someone's shoe over there, look. The ivy's even coming in through the window. Look at that. Oh. Shit. Oh, this is amazing, fair play. It always gets to me when I see they close. All the, you know, the elderly, they always have their clothes immaculate and hang up, you know, on coat hangers. Not like today where we just sling them in the wardrobe. Some boots.
Much to see in there.
Yeah, it's worth it. There's someone's pair of boots or one boot in the bath. There's a lot of rat droppings here. I think they're rat droppings. Look at this. This staircase is amazing. Oh, we've got an old weighing scales, an old carpet cleaner, Marmite. That doesn't look that old, does it? I don't know how long this one was abandoned, I'm not sure. Look at the ceiling and everything, it looks immaculate, doesn't it? I love to see the old tellies. There's an old video, VHS. Loads of VHS videos. Our telly is, well, it is old, but I've seen a hell of a lot older. Look at that. Bet they had a stunning like log fire underneath there. So really it's one room downstairs, one bedroom upstairs and a bathroom really. There we are. Oh, what the hell is it? Oh, I don't even know what that is. It doesn't look like a bird. I recognise it on a... Oh, God. Right, I'll have a look at that now. This is the car, obviously in the garage, that's attached to the house that we just looked at. Look at this ghetto blaster. What is it? I can't make out what it is. Is it? I was going to say like a Capri or something.
Never seen one.